Okay, so in order to build out our taco cards, we're going to need a bunch of taco images. So attached to this lesson or the previous one, you'll find a zip file with 5 JPEG images representing our tacos. So what I'd like for you to do is to download that zip file, unzip it, and then within our source directory, we'll create a new assets directory. And into there, I'd like for you to copy and paste those 5 images. So I have them selected on my other screen, and I'm just gonna copy and drag them into assets. And you could do this within VS Code, or you can also do this within your Mac Finder or your Windows Explorer, whatever is the easiest way for you to paste those JPEG images into your new assets folder. And that is a common convention in a React project. You might have a assets directory or something with a similar name where you're going to house all of your images. So here is an example of what some of those images look like. It's just a bunch of delicious tacos that I wish that I was eating right now. But of course, we have to get back to React and coding. That's all there is to cover in this lesson. Once you have all of the images copied locally, you are good to proceed, and I will see you in the next lesson.